Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showcasing Decisive Designs Table and More Solution Store. The fall season decorations are up and the items, household items and clothing items are all up, so you can check us out online at Poshmark or in store at Port Ewing. All right, thank you so much for your support. So take a look as we decorate the store, all right? Got our table coming along. Guys, in the store you can get antique stuff, you can get present stuff, whatever you need right here. All right, so check us out. Yes guys, see something that you like, please don't hesitate to contact Decisive Designs Table and More Solutions. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I'll keep you updated in another video. Bye.